What's up, you guys? What's up? How you doing today? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. What's up, you guys? How you doing? I miss you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. You could be anywhere in the gardening universe, but you choose to spend a little time with your Skinny Boy Randy, and I greatly appreciate you. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you, guys. How you doing? What's up, you guys? If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. Okay, we love having you here, beginners and experts, because we never went to expert school, okay? We ain't got no money for expert school. We ain't got no money. How y'all doing? Thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, click like and subscribe. Click that red button down there. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay? Thank you so much for being here. Also, head on over to my Facebook group, Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, where beginners and experts are welcome over there as well. If I can't answer a question here, I guarantee you'll get an answer over there. They are an amazing group. You guys go check it out. Also, check me out on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Today, I'm going to make a short, simple video. It's almost winter time, you guys, and I want to preserve my strawberries because the frost is due to hit within the next couple of days, and I don't want to lose my strawberries. Okay, now some of my strawberries took it amongst themselves to make a home for themselves. I have strawberries in containers here, and I set it beside my raised bed, and then the runners jumped into the raised bed and made multiple strawberry plants. See, this is the runner, and look, strawberry plant over here, strawberry plant, strawberry plant. It just jumped and jumped and jumped. Look, there's another one there, and I don't want this to be their permanent home, so we're going to get those out, put them in new homes, set them inside the greenhouse, inside of the garage. That way they will still go dormant for winter because it's going to be a little cool in there. I'm not going to sit them in the greenhouse. I'm going to sit them in the garage. So they'll still get that cool temperature, just not the harsh frost. So let's just dive right into it. First of all, if you're growing them in a container like this, can I get you down here? If you have them in a container like this, you guys, they've been in here all summer, all year. You want to clean them up. Okay? So that entails just getting all the weeds out. And you can use your scissors. Getting all those weeds out. And the plant will let you know when she's about to go into dormancy, because look at the leaves. See how beautiful and burgundy they are? That means she knows, hey, winter is around the corner. I'm just going to shake off some of this excess leaves, you guys. So yeah, just want to go in and clean her up like that. Get all that weed from around there like that. Take off all the dead foliage, the ones that are turning yellow, get all that off. The ones that are already dead, get those off. Snip that one on off. Yeah, so she's pretty cleaned up. Now what I'm going to do is gently take my scissors or take my little shovel thingy and make some holes around my plant like that, just like that. Then I'm going to go in and pour in some black gold potting soil. I don't want to cover that crown, you guys. You don't want to cover that crown or you will kill it. Okay, the crown is right in there. You don't want to cover that. You want to go around it. I'm going to put a little bit of this in there. Give it a shake around a little bit. Make sure our crown is not covered whatsoever. And that black gold will give it some more nutrients to get it through the winter. And then we'll get food off of this baby. There you go. And then we're going to put her in the garage and just let her overwinterize. Now, the ones that have grown wild, inside of the garden bed, like this one here. Can you guys see me? This one here. I'm gonna go in and go up under the plant. You know, I'm digging all the way down as to not disturb any of the roots. And I'm going up under it and lifting up like that. Come on this side, going away from the plant, but then lifting up. And see how I just popped right on out? So we know that we got all of the roots without harming anything. So you gently want to take it and lift it out of the soil like that. And there's our strawberry plant. Just like that. See that? I'm going to cut that little runner off. And she's ready to be repotted. Now we're going to do the same thing with the other ones, but just for the video's sake, I wanted to show you how to do one transplant straight from the ground. So then I'm going to take some of the soil that was already in the raised bed, mix in some black gold, give it a good mixing. Some more of its original organic. Some more of that in there. A little bit more black gold. You want it as close to the top as possible so you don't bury that crown. Make it easier on yourself, okay? Then we're going to take our strawberry, a little new strawberry plant here. Try to get all that debris away. And I'm going to put one in each corner of this container. I'm going to go down some. Remember, don't plant the crown. Don't plant the crown. You just want the roots. If you see a little bit of the root sticking out, you're good. Okay. You don't want to plant that crown. Just give her a packing around. Making sure we're not burying that crown. Can you see that? Just like that, you guys. And she's ready to go in the greenhouse as well. And I'm going to put the other two in each side of these containers. And that's how you do your strawberries, getting them ready for winter. As we're preparing the garden and getting everything ready to go into our winter months, that's what you can do. You can also start you some strawberries from seed, you guys. See mine? I'm always growing. Never think that there's nothing to keep growing during winter. This is in the greenhouse under the grow light. Yes, I have her in the house normally, but I came outside to make this video, so I brought her outside to show you guys. But yes, this is an all-star strawberry. These seeds have been in there for months and just decided to germinate. So we're gonna try, let them keep growing. And strawberries take a long time to grow, so over the winter months, we have something to watch growing. It's always something to do, okay, you guys? So there you have it, something quick and easy on how to overwinterize your strawberries, you know, and you'll have food next year. Everybody loves a good strawberry sometimes, but if you don't, try growing blueberries, blackberries, any type of berry, you guys. They're good for you, and they taste great. So again, get your garden ready for winter. You know, put them in your little containers. Get them set in a cool area so they can go dormant for winter. And then they'll come back in the spring of next year. I don't want the strawberries to take over my raised bed because we're going to have this totally different for spring. So there you go, you guys. strawberries overwinterizing. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. Remember, if you're new to my channel, click like and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not your 2 middle fingers. Okay. And you can save money by doing your own strawberries, because we ain't got no money to keep going to the grocery store. We ain't got no money. Thank you guys so much for being here. Also, head on over to the Facebook group, Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, beginners and experts. So I welcome over there as well. Let them know I sent you from over here on YouTube. I love you guys. Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it, especially some strawberries.